Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change icon size in your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to settings of your phone. Go to settings, then go to home and lock screen and click on home settings, and here select icon size and see here. These are only icon size. If you want to increase icon size, move this point to the right side or use this plus symbol. This is large size. Okay, see the preview. If you want to decrease app size, icon size, just click on this minus symbol. Okay, so in this way you can easily change icon size in your phone Moto G04. I keep in the default normal size. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.